Hi friends, it's Kimchi Warrior Princess here today and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you workwear jewelry. So these are all pieces that you can wear to the office, but they also transition really nicely to nighttime too. The jewelry shown in this video is by Ana Luisa, who creates high quality jewelry at a very affordable price point. Ana Luisa is also carbon neutral from packaging to their products, and for that reason I decided to pair up with them for this sponsored video. Their designs are unique and beautiful. They really make you feel empowered and elegant, which I feel is a very important quality in the workplace. Also, be sure to stick around to the very end because I want to share a favorite product of mine that I use to organize all of my jewelry. That way I can see it all and wear it all, and it's just not sitting there unused because, you know, when it's out of sight, it's out of mind. But be sure to stick around because I'm going to share that with you. And as always, everything will be linked in the description box below. And also use my code kimchiwarriorprincess20 for 20% off. So the first piece are the hoop earrings that I have on right now. These are the bamboo medium hoop earring. They retail for $75. They feel so nice. They are 14 karat gold plated. They don't feel overly heavy. I think they're just a really perfect size to wear to the workplace while still looking professional but also fun. And the bamboo pattern is so cute. It reminds me of Gucci handbags that have the bamboo handle. And I think that it really does brighten up a look, especially if you have darker hair or you're wearing a simple kind of darker outfit. It really kind of adds just a little bit of pop that I think is so nice. Also, they do feel very secure again, so I'll show you how they open and close. So it's just like that. So next is this necklace. It's called the Hayden Necklace. It retails for $75. It's also 14 karat gold plated, and look at this design. I absolutely love how intricate yet modern and simple it still is. I think it's very classy, and it can go really nicely with a V-neck, a scoop neck, also a turtleneck. You can pop it on the outside for kind of like an old money vibe look, and I just think it's very nice, very gorgeous. It does clasp easily, and also you can add a little bit of extra length. So there's the back of it too. So I just think it's a very nice piece that you also don't see on everybody. So next are these Wren hoop earrings. They're a double oval hoop. I absolutely love these. They are $65 retail, and they are 14 karat gold plated. These are very light, and also the bottom hoop does come off. So it gives you an option of just like the top single hoop, but also you have to be careful when you take them off so the bottom hoop doesn't just go flying somewhere. I find that these are a nice alternative to a stud earring when you want just a little bit more than a stud, but you want something very simple. Maybe you have more of a statement sort of necklace and you don't want to take away from that. These earrings would be a great option for that. Next is the Loree Necklace. This retails for $85. It is 14 karat gold plated over sterling silver. I absolutely love this piece. It gives just enough interest right here. I love this double hoop detail. It is cubic zirconia there, but hey, let people think what they want to think. If they think it's diamonds, that's cool too. I absolutely love this necklace. I think it pairs really nicely with this earring. Let me know what you think. And as promised, I want to show you my jewelry boxes. I have quite a bit of jewelry, but I don't wear a lot of it, mostly because I couldn't see it until I bought these babies from Amazon, and I'll link these. These are so awesome. So they have many different styles. This is a combination rings, dainty necklaces, either earrings or bracelets here. Oh, here's one other Ana Luisa necklace. I absolutely love this one. I won it on a contest on their Instagram page. You should totally follow them and comment because you may win. I won. All right. Anyway, so here we go. Here's another one. This is a 24 compartment one. Great for hoops, chandelier earrings. I absolutely love this one. And they're all super stackable. Like they won't scratch each other. And then this one is a 12 compartment one. Great for bangles. I have a couple watches there too. And the last one is just an open one, which is great for kind of statement necklaces.
and whatever else you may have that can't fit little compartments.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video on jewelry that you can wear to the workplace. Hopefully it gave you some ideas. Be sure to check out the links in the description box below. Ana Luisa has great sales all the time. For 20% off, be sure to use my code kimchiwarriorprincess20. Everything's linked below in the description box. Thank you guys. Please hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.